Hey guys, if you're looking for a healthy, balanced breakfast that's both hearty and satisfying, I got you. This sweet potato egg sausage hash is the real deal. Packed with protein and flavor, it will power you through the day and keep you full longer. First, we'll heat up some oil in a skillet and toss in your chopped sausages. Saute them until they're golden brown and crispy on the edges. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. They'll look just like this. Once that's done, we'll remove and set them aside. In the same pan, we'll add your chopped sweet potatoes. Now here's a quick tip. If you're in North America, try using Japanese yam. It holds up beautifully and doesn't get soggy like regular sweet potatoes. It might cost a bit more, but trust me, it's worth every bite. Add a splash of water, cover the pan and let the sweet potatoes steam for about 5 minutes. Once tender, uncover, season with salt, pepper and paprika and give them a good toss. Once cooked, remove and set them aside. Add a bit more oil to the pan, then throw in some sliced mushrooms. You can also add a tablespoon or 2 of water to prevent burning. Season with more salt and pepper if you wish. Give it another stir and go in with your chopped onions and bell peppers. Season to your taste and cook until everything is soft and fragrant. Now it's time to bring it all together. The sweet potatoes, sausages, all into the pan. Toast to coat everything in that delicious flavor. At this point, you could serve it just like this, but if you're feeling fancy, you could couple of wells into the hash and crack in 2 eggs. Season with a little salt and pepper, cover and cook until the eggs are just how you like them. And there you have it, a wholesome protein-packed breakfast hash that's colorful, filling and absolutely delicious. Sprinkle with cilantro and serve right away. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss another recipe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.